that when it comes to an outcome table, I'll be nice and I'll be giving you a box with a bunch of small boxes to fill in, so you won't have to like make it from scratch. But two four-sided dice are being tossed during a game, so it's two four-sided dice. How many possible outcomes are there? What are the alternative terms for this? Don't worry about that one. But two four-sided, you have four sides times four sides. There are 16 outcomes, 16 possible ways they may land. Okay? But this is really what I want you to be comfortable with, the outcome table. And on the test review, if you do it in the booklet, it has one in there, so you get to see it one more time. So what you need to do is, and this is more than likely already done for you, but you go 1 to 4 here. Remember, this could have been a 1 to 6, 1 to 5. It could have been anything. But I'm saying there are 4 sides here, and you also have 4 for the other die. So this is one die and the other die. And so this one would add up to, let's say we will do the sums. We're going to put on the sums of everything. If you roll a 1 and a 1, what does it add up to? A 2, right? 1 and 2 adds up to 3. 1 and 3, 4. 1 and 4, 5. So it's like 2, 3, 4, 5. What about this one? 2 and 1 adds up to 3. 2 and 2 adds up to 4, 5, 6. You see the pattern, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to the next one. 3 and 1 adds up to 4. 3 and 2 adds up to 5, 6, 7. Okay. 4 and 1 adds up to 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have all the sums of that are possible by rolling these die. Okay. Now, this is your outcome table. This is your outcome table. How many options do you have if you consider all of this? How many options? 4 by 4. Remember? 16 outcomes. 16 outcomes. Easily just, you can count them each individually if you like, or you just go row times column and then you get your 16 in this case. Quick question. If it had been two 6-sided die, this would have been 6 by 6. What's that? 36? Got it? Okay. You're with me? So let's answer these questions based on our outcome table. State the probability of rolling a sum that is greater than 6. Where is greater than 6? Watch this pattern. You see the 6, you see the sum is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Greater than 6, how many of these are greater than 6? There's only 3 of them that would give you that. So what would we do as a probability? What's our total? 16. And we've got 3 that are greater than 6. So boom, that's your probability. I can tell you that on the exam, I've only ever seen them already have this filled in, and they ask you a bunch of questions. They never ask students to fill this in. On the test, I will have one where I ask you to fill this in. So full disclosure, you just got to know, oh, sum, that means adding them. Okay, so just add them up and fill in this box. Which sum is most likely to happen? Show how you know. Which one is most likely to happen? 3, 4, it's this one, right? 5, it happens 4 times. Most likely to happen, I would say it's this one. In this particular scenario. What is the probability? Out of 16, I've got 4. That is 1/4, correct? I just felt like doing that, not that you need to. Show how you know we did. We used the highlighter. State the probability of rolling doubles. What is rolling a double? Maybe you have to have this on your study sheet. Rolling a 1 and 1, okay? Or 2 and 2. That's what it's asking. Like doubles is getting both of the same. It's harder to see it on this outcome table, but where are the doubles? Let me use two different pens here. A 1 and a 1, a 2 and a 2, a 3 and a 3, a 4 and a 4. So it's these four here where you would get a double. Okay? Is it going to mess everything up if we go like this? I'm going to try it. You decide if you like this or not. But rolling doubles would also be 4 out of 16. Would also be 4 outcomes out of 16. It's harder to see doubles because we didn't actually write down like the outcomes. We just wrote down the sums. But question. I'm just thinking here what they could do. What's the probability of rolling an even sum? Even sum. 4 is even, right? So I would circle them. I would be like even, 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 even. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you want to put that on here on the side here. Probability of even sum. Question mark. What did I say? 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Never mind. 8 out of 16. That's half. Therefore, what's the probability of getting an odd sum? Also half. There's half even, half are odd. Okay. So, just so you know, they could do that. Sums that are multiples of 3. What's a multiple of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, and so forth. So what would that be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all I have in this, right? There are 5 options. So that's it. That's outcome tables. It's still probability. You just have to look at this to help you out, okay? The outcome table. So don't let an outcome table throw you off.